Hello everyone! I'm Lee from Leo and Evan's Awesomest channel. We're going to get the Plants vs. Zombies Connects. We're searching for Boomerang and Bok Choy.
Alright, let's go.
Go to the car.
Ding. This is a long winding path. It's gonna take us weeks to walk all the way to the car. It's gonna take so long. I don't know if we're ever gonna get to the car. Because we live in the Mojave Desert, which is so vast and... Oh wait, there's our car. That was so fast. You going in this way? Is it open? Yep. Alright, go ahead. Buckle yourself in. After these messages, we'll be right back.
Hey everyone, I'm back. And I'm at Toys R Us.
Where? Where is it?
There.
It's an ugly toy store. There's nothing over there. Where? That's a shopping cart store. That's a baby store.
No,
Oh, there it is. I was wondering what you were talking about.
follow me.
Follow you? Where are we going?
We're going to Toys R Us. Yeah, Plants vs. Zombies
Connects. My favorite plant is Doomshroom. He's not really a plant. He's a mushroom. You know why I like him? Because he destroys everything.
There was a Doomshroom.
Boom! There's a Minecraft Doomshroom?
No, but if there was, Doomshroom from Minecraft would be like a TNT.
Yeah, TNT. Alright, ladies, let's see. I think...
There's also other global plants like Cherry Bomb. But
Oh,
Doomshroom has a more bigger range.
this is our Toys R Us. Our neighborhood Toys R Us. Yeah, but there's so many Skylanders. He doesn't know which one he wants. And he doesn't, we have Firecracker. He's so cool. I like the way he looks. Look at this guy, Doomstone. He's the last Swamp Force that came out this season.
You know what?
He's the, oh no, he's not, because they got a, what's his name? Kick something, right?
Okay.
Kickoff countdown. They got him. He's the last Skylander this season. There's some battle packs that we don't have, but I don't know, like this one, we don't have this battle pack.
Yeah, we don't.
And we have that one. There's another one with like fire.
We don't have this one because Evan doesn't like Slam.
I know, that's silly. I mean, who's this guy? Look at this guy. Oh, that's Whamshell.
Evan likes Whamshell.
Whamshell is pretty whammy. There's a lot of stories.
Be like Clamshell.
I have that special edition one, but it's so hideous. Special edition Grill Grunt.
He's a grill grunt.
Oh, Grill Grunt, that's right. Well, if you put him on a grill and cook him, then he'd be a Grill Grunt. And he's sort of like a fish. They're over here. Oh, you want to see the Minecraft stuff? This is the Minecraft world. Oh, you see all those things are gone.
What the?
You're lucky I bought that one when I saw it.
What?
The Animal Mob. Because they're all gone. They were right here. You see, there's no more. They have Diamond Edition Steve. Zombie. Steve.
There's a villager one of these coming out.
Also have a Villager one coming out? When's that coming out?
I don't know.
These all look to be the same. Oh look!
What?
Deluxe 6-pack minifigure of Teen Titans Go.
Oh look, it's Keyhead Kitty
Look
Face.
at Raven. Why Raven always looks like she shows up?
I call her Keyhead Kitty Face because when I saw her, she looked like a cat.
Oh. They got those Plant vs. Zombies. We've had those. They break easily. Right?
Yeah.
They break way too easily. Sunflower, we had that one. We had all these, but we got all messed up. Okay, let's go this way, then this way, and then this way. No, I think it's not that way. It's this way. I know where it is. We just have to find it. Oh, you think Evan would like this? Look at this. I wonder if it really works. It's a bow and arrow set. I don't know if it'll work. That's the problem. So I don't know if it'll actually work. It's this way. Oh, Toy Story! That's this side. It's on this side. Not this one. Not that one. This one. Okay, let's see. Right there, right there. A little bit more, 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 a little bit more. Stop. Look to your left.
Where is it?
Oh no.
What?
That's not it. Oh, that's just it, yeah. Oh, there's only 2 left. That's it.
Oh no, none of them feel big and chunky.
Not good. Oh no, there's only 2 left.
None of them are big and chunky.
We have to find the nearest second Toys R Us. Only got 1 box.
This is sunflower for sure. And this is pea shooter.
What about that set? Does that set have something better? What does it have? This has...
It has a pea shooter.
It has a pea shooter and it has zombies. And that's it. That's kind of dull. Okay, let's see if we can find another Toys R Us. I'm trying to remember where the other Toys R Us is. There's one in White Plains. That's kind of far.
Can you feel these to make sure that they're not bok choy?
They're not what?
They're not bok choy.
This is not bok choy. Definitely not bok choy. It's too,
What if it's boomerang?
it's not boomerang, I don't think. I don't know what this is. This is pea shooter. Yeah, definitely pea shooter. Alright, we're gonna pause. We'll be right back in a little while as this does not look like it was very successful. Be back soon. Bye.
Bye. We're here at Toys R Us. Not really.
It's at White Plains. We're at a different Toys R Us. We are continuing our hunts for we are hunting for Connects. Oh, 3055 is our number. We got a press tag. Let's go do it. After these messages, we'll be right back. Alright, what'd you get? We only found 2 at this Toys R Us. But we're pretty confident that one of them is
bok choy.
bok choy. We also got
This one,
some of these.
this one feels.
Ah, the Simpsons minifigure.
Because this one feels unusually big.
Yeah, it feels quite large. So we're
Also, I
fairly
can feel his
certain
earpiece.
we're gonna go downstairs to Target because we think Target may have some too. Where's the checkout? Oh, it's right here. Number 5 is open. See number 5? Is the light on? Okay. Okay, we're gonna continue our hunt. But this time, we're going down the escalator of fear. Down here are the evil beasts and dragons of White Plains. Are you ready?
There's no such thing as beasts or dragons, and if there is, they're just probably going to scare me. But not really, because I'll be prepared for it.
How would you be prepared for it?
It's not like this ending dragon even exists.
I think we have to go outside to get to the other side.
Then you fall off of the floor
this hunt. Okay, we gotta get back by 8:09 because. Well.
It was flawed in the escalator. It was bouncing up and down. It was too fast to go through.
Yeah, it's windy out here. I guess you were correct to bring your coat and your sweater. Maybe I told you not to.
This is why I wore it. Well, not
You better watch. Oh my God, it's Godzilla! Run! Rawr, Godzilla! Yeah, there he is. You didn't see the movie Godzilla? He was big and ugly and scary. And what he wanted to do is he wanted to eat everybody. He's crazy. That's why they call him Godzilla.
What does Zilla mean?
I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. Wow. We are going.
Dad, we could just ride the escalator down from Toys R Us and got here.
Oh
I
yeah,
forgot
we
about your
could
phone.
have. That's right, we have to go get it. Let's go. After these messages,
You know,
we'll be right back.
running to our car and trying to steal it. Just kidding.
I like my phone. You don't like my phone? That's my phone. After these messages, we'll be right back. No pictures. Hey, you see, you got them, you guys. Thank you. You see that?
Yeah,
That's nice. All right, we're at Target now. Now what?
I smell yummy pizza.
You want some?
Yeah.
On the way out, we'll get some. Okay. Let's see. What's the toy section? Toys? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
I can find it myself. I see
Okay.
color and you
Target is small. It's a really small store. You can like just walk around it in like 5 seconds. Don't you believe so? No, Target is massive, man.
It's actually really
Where's the boys section? They have some cool t-shirts.
when I saw it,
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh, this store is so small. But
Not
it's
Target.
actually really big. I didn't know how it could be that big. It was because I was looking like rows going this way.
Mm.
It's actually rows going this way.
Is it that way? You said right, right? You did say right.
You said right twice in a row. But there's no
Right, right? All right, I'm gonna pause this for a little while. We'll be back.
bye.
We have yet to find the Connects, but look what we found. Mixels. Do you have all the brown ones? They have more browns there. Are they different ones?
Different.
There's these too. Yeah, check them out. What else?
This is Gaba.
That's the second orange one.
This is Grog. And this is
Second brown one.
Jog.
And one blue one. They only have one box of Mixels. It's kind
This
of
is Fleur. I don't know why they call him Fleur.
yeah. You getting some of those or no? What's the deal? You don't want them? You don't think your channel would like to see you put them together?
Water.
Oh, there's some Minecraft stuff.
Oh my god.
Same stuff, right?
They should
Creeper.
have they should have the one.
They have a torch.
This is like all.
But they have no Connects. That's kind of disappointing. I'll be back in a second.